Hello and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. Today we're going to be making this random thing. You'll see why in a second. So I've run into this problem here where I've tapped a hole in this little thing and it's screwed onto that, which was part of the tripod. And that worked for a while, but then the top of the tripod broke off. So now I need something to hold the phone holder onto the tripod. So we're going to design something and see what we come up with. So over here we've got 16 millimeters, so I might try 17 millimeters just to give it a bit of space, or you know what, it's quite accurate, so maybe I'll just leave it at 16. And then this side is 30.5 millimeters, so I'll do that one at 31. And this ball over here, we're getting 17 millimeters, so that one I'll do exact. It's pretty accurate, the 3D printer. So I'll do that one at exactly 17 millimeters, and then we'll see what we end up with. And then we'll go down about 20 mils. Let's get designing. So to solve my problem, I'm going to create a sort of a rectangle shape that slides over the top of the tripod, and then sticking up there'll be a small shaft and a ball on the top to slot into the phone holder. So I've got my measurements. I'm going to create a sketch on the top plane, and I'm going to I'm going to go to create rectangle and center rectangle. I like it when it's symmetric about the origin, and this is going to be 16 millimeters by 31. I think that's what I measured. I think I got a bit of a tolerance in there. And then I'm going to select offset, and we will offset this by 5 millimeters. So that'll be the thickness of the wall, but I'm going to make it -5, so it's on the outside. Let's zoom in a bit there. So this is going to be the part that slots over the existing tripod. So finish sketch. And we're going to do some extrudes now. 2 extrudes. I'm going to select both these profiles and go up 3 millimeters. So there, that's going to be the thickness of the body. Okay. And then just turn our sketch back on. I'm going to do another extrude coming down. This outer side going to be -20. And that looks good. I do want to put a few fillets on here, so I can hide that sketch now. And we'll just select these corners. So all the sides and then the top. Oh, what is my computer doing? I can't even see what I'm looking at. Okay. So then just the top. And we're going to go 3 millimeters. No, that's too much, so we got 2. So that's a 2 millimeter chamfer, or fillet rather, and that's the part that's going to slot over the existing camera mount. Then I'm going to create a sketch over here, create sketch on this top surface. So we've got our center point there. I'm just going to go C, center diameter circle, and I'll make this 9 millimeters. And then we're going to extrude it up. So finish sketch, extrude, and we'll go up to 20 millimeters. It's going to be quite that high. I'm going to draw a circle there, create sketch now on the front plane, and I'll select slice over here on the right so I can see where I am working. So then I'll press C, center diameter circle, and this is 17 millimeters. So I think that height is alright. I'm going to go L for line tool. Just draw this line to split it in half, because we're going to do a revolve of this now. And that's given us a closed profile there. So escape line tool, T for trim, and we'll trim away half of it. Finish sketch. And then revolve. So it's selected our profile, and the revolve axis will be that one there, and we'll change it from cut to join. So this is what I'm going to print first. I have a sneaky suspicion that I'm going to have a weak point over here. So if I do and it snaps off, I will try, rather than having it mounted, I'll extrude a hole right through this top section and then make this shaft a bit longer, then I'll just super glue it in. But I'm going to try it like this first and see what happens. So let's go over to the 3D printer and see what we've got. So exactly what I thought would happen happened with this one. It fits nicely, but I had to print another one. So this one, it goes right through, so there's no weak edges there, and that part's a bit stronger. So I'm just going to super glue this on like that, and then we're going to put it together. So that's stuck together and it fits in quite nicely. I just need to tighten it up and it'll go right over there and we're sorted. So that's that, guys. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about our little camera mount. Well, it's for a phone, but I'm using my phone as a camera. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Until next time, cheers.